hike in Cooper's Rock State Park in West Virginia. We hiked about 4.5 miles today. We didn't really have a set route. We sort of meandered around and combined some trails, but we parked in the main parking area by the Overlook. We went down there and checked it out, and we sort of hit the Rattlesnake Trail and some of the trails around the rock formations, and then we found our way to the Rhododendron Trail, where we hiked out and back to the Henry Clay Iron Furnace. So down by the furnace, it's nice and shaded and nice little place to take a break and sort of play in the creek, explore, and eat snacks. We just came back on the Rhododendron Trail and the Eagle Trail back to the main parking area. And now we're getting some time into the playground, and there's tons of picnic areas around. Doggy. Yeah, we had a great day at Cooper's Rock State Park. There's more information on my website. I hope you check it out. We'll see ya.